What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be doing a video of all my slimes, and yeah, we're gonna see how many giant slime bubbles we can make with it. So, oh, and if you didn't know, if you're new to my channel, my name is Danica, and I post every day. Sometimes I post more than once every day. And so, yeah, let's get into the video. Put it away. Ow!
That's weird. Don't
Hurry up! Okay, so,
just like not be in it.
Charlie, no, you have to help me. So, first off,
Stop, that's weird.
sit down. So, first off, we are going to show you all my slimes.
I'm not gonna be able to get up thanks to you.
Which I think I showed you guys before. Except I won't be able to use my mini slime.
That's mine, dude.
Excuse me, I made it.
Actually, we made it.
Okay,
I'm leaving.
sure you are. But here's your slime.
Thank you. Charlie. I'll put this in your hair.
You do it, I'm gonna kick you in the face.
I'll leave.
Okay,
We're gonna go tell the cops.
come here, Charlie.
Because they will do something.
Anyways, I'm gonna show you all my slimes. So right now, come here. We have to show them this.
That party's hard.
Okay, so this is our mini blue slime that we made. It's pretty stretchy. We have to put it together so we can poke it. Okay, it's not very pokey. It's pretty tough, actually. Actually, it's okay. I mean,
Can I get that one?
not yet. And
Why?
because I said. Okay, so next we have this slime, which she was just playing with, and I told her not to.
My eyes look so pretty.
Anyways, scoot back. Give me some space.
Wow.
So this is called my party slime because it's got a whole bunch of foam beads in it, and it's got like a whole bunch of colors. And so it's called party slime. Charlie Roberts, get in here now. Charlie, now.
Awesome. Actually, it's Charlie's.
Shut the door.
It was already open, so why should I?
Shut the door.
I'm gonna leave.
Charlie.
Okay, I'm back. No, I can't leave. My house is like all the way down there.
Anyways, so this is our party slime, and we're gonna try and make slime bubbles with it. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna show you guys all my slimes before we go and make slime bubbles. So you can grab this side. We'll show you how stretchy each of them are. Holy crap! Okay.
We probably should have made that even.
Yeah. Okay. So there it is. We're still going. It's like dripping down to the floor.
Oh God.
Oh God. No, get it off.
Oh God. Oh dear Lord. Oh, I slipped this up. That's
Okay.
been forever. So, ew, it's yellow.
Okay.
Yellow's not a pretty color. That'll be funny if I was wearing
So
yellow.
I just got it all over my carpet. It's okay though. Guess it comes off. And so
There's no lid to this.
this next one is very sticky, but it is also my very best slime. I wish I had something that would quit,
Why?
because I said
It's okay.
I need something that'll just hold it there. Okay, I guess it's gonna stay. So this is my bubblegum slime. I also added sand to this. It's very sounds very graceful when you poke it. This one, we're not going to show you how stretchy it is because you can obviously see that it's really sticky. And so
good.
we're going to try and make slime bubbles with it. Now this one I should not have added sand to because sand normally stops it from being a good slime. So yeah, we're just gonna see how this works out. So yeah, put that one away. It has it's all over my fingers, of course. That's the next one, so you can go ahead and show them.
This used to be mine.
Yeah, this next slime used to be her slime, and so we're still going to put it in the video because it's my slime now because she gave it to me, so.
Wait. Can I get it though? That's. Oh man, it's stuck to me now. It's a part of me.
Okay.
Okay, there.
So I don't really know what kind of slime this is. Honestly, like one of her friends made it. Also my friend. Her name's Sydney Spry. So shout out to you if you're watching it, Sydney.
What's your password?
And I can't say it in front of the camera.
So.
And anyways,
You typed that. I don't know how to spell that.
anyways, I don't know exactly what kind of slime this is, but she added a lot of sand, and so I don't know. If you guys know what slime it is, just tell me. I think it's just a slime with lots of sand. It's also got, if you look close, it's got lots of red sparkles in it. It's not very sticky, but at the same time it is kind of sticky. It's stretchy too. Okay. And so we're just gonna put that away. I still have 2 more slimes. The bottom one, or actually, I'm just gonna say this is my last one because the other one we know we can't make slime bubbles with because obviously it's like not even a slime. So this is my last slime.
Yeah, it's not working.
Our Wi-Fi's bad. So this has blue foam beads in it, and it's got lots of pink sand. It's very stretchy.
I have to go home soon.
Why?
Because we have to leave at 7.
For what?
My brother's game.
You can stay here.
I still need to take a shower
Well, you can take a shower.
at my house.
Yeah, but anyways,
It takes like an hour.
this is our slime. And so, yeah, now we're going to take all these slimes. We're going to move to the living room. And we are...
Add me on Snapchat.
Yeah. Everybody, make sure you go follow Charlie on Snapchat.
Add.
Oops. Anyways, make sure you add Charlie. Her name is... That's her name. Just go back.
Yeah.
See, that is her name right there. Charlie Awesome 1. Charlie's Roberts. Yeah. So make sure you go do that. Charlie, will you grab the slimes? Now we are moving to the living room.
I gotta leave, dude.
Charlie, we can leave in a minute. I'm going to take you home in a minute. Come on. Okay. So, we're going to make slime bubbles. And I don't know if any of these are actually going to turn out. There's my dog. That's Cupcake. Go lay down. Go. Okay, there's all the slimes. I think, actually, I don't know. I think we're just going to make one slime bubble. We're going to try and make the pink one.
This one?
Yeah. Of course it's sticky, but it's the only stretchy.
It should go right on here.
Okay, so I don't know exactly how this is going to turn out because it's like really freaking sticky. It's going to stick to our hands. We're going to have to get it all off. So I don't really know because you can't hold this slime in your hands for like a super long time. This is what will happen. I'm holding this. That's what's happening. So yeah, we're going to see how this turns out. Charlie,
Fell.
grab it.
Why?
Because
It's not gonna stick.
Charlie, yes it will.
Well, stop doing that.
I'm trying to get it off.
Oh, yeah, it's stuck on me now.
Oh my god, Charlie. Okay, so we're just gonna drop this slime to the ground.
Now I need help.
And just kind of get the camera with your other hand because mine are both really sticky. Show them this masterpiece that we've made.
Oh.
You can flip the camera around.
Oh,
here.
yeah. Oh, God, if I can.
So, the slime really freaking got stuck to our hands. Now it's like drizzling everywhere. And so yeah, I'm just gonna kind of see if this will. You just got that in my hair.
No, I didn't.
Okay, so it's like really stuck to the ground now. So I've got to like get this off before my mom comes home because.
She won't come home. She won't be home for a while.
And so yeah, because she moved to a place. I can't tell her where because then these stalkers on YouTube will freaking go and track her down. So
Stop.
if you ever start a YouTube account, make sure you don't say anything about where you live.
Dude, my cousin did. Nothing happened though.
Asia?
No. My mom said. It's fine. There's a lot of Asias.
Yeah, there's an Asia.
She lives in Asia. And her name is
Okay,
Asia.
so we're gonna try and make this slime bubble. Hopefully it actually works out.
Do you get the rest off my hands?
No, because we're gonna make a slime bubble.
It's
So
been
I
10,
guess-
11 minutes.
Put it on me. So I guess we will just, you can just, we're just gonna make one slime bubble, see if it turns out. So Charlie's gonna go put the phone back over there, and we're gonna make a slime bubble. Let's go. Don't end it. Take it over there, Charlie. Charlie, come on. Turn it up the other way.
Oh, this way.
Yes, because the camera's gonna make it look like it's upside down.
Do we want to fight?
Let's go.
Okay. Right here?
Yes.
Right here?
No.
Right here.
Yes.
Just like that.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Okay. Slime bubble attempt number 1. I wouldn't sit like that. That's gonna get all over you. It's fine. We're making slime bubbles.
I don't care. I
It's
don't like it on my
gonna stick to
freaking hands.
It's gonna stick to you.
It was
anyway.
gone whenever I did that. Like,
Okay.
let's move over here towards the camera.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Scoot back. You've got plenty of freaking room. I don't. Okay. Come close, you freaking retard. They can't see you.
yeah, I can.
Can't see your whole body.
Either way, they won't because you can't see my back or this side of my body. So
It's okay. Well,
you just said it's not though.
We
So
have to-
I should be fine over here.
okay. So we're just gonna take it.
I don't like it on my
Charlie,
freaking hands.
it's gonna stick to us anyways. So just, you're gonna grab that and we're just gonna use both hands.
No.
What are you doing, Charlie?
I don't know.
It's gonna get everywhere. Oh my god, you're so freaking retarded. No wonder no one likes you.
Actually, yeah, there
Hmm.
is. I'm not telling you. Then they might know.
I did not say who.
Oh,
I said ooh.
that noise though.
Okay,
like,
Charlie. So this girl here does not know how to make slime bubbles. So what you do is you grab
actually,
it.
I do.
Well, then do
I don't
it.
like it on my hands.
Lift your hand up. It'll help.
It's not gone.
Well, I'm sorry.
Mine is worse. My hand is turning pink. I don't like pink.
Okay, and sorry. It's not my problem.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't. Comment down below if you think that it's my problem.
I think it is. I'm gonna comment whenever I see this.
Yeah. Me and Charlie might start a YouTube account together. So we can vlog each other every day. Yeah, she doesn't know what that means, I'm sure. Okay,
You know,
well,
I would.
okay. So we can't make slime bubbles, so we're just gonna put this away. And I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So Charlie quit.
What? It's not on my hands.
Okay, so we ended up with hands full of slime. And so, yeah, I'm going to try and not get slime all over my phone. We are going to end the vlog right here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
It's not coming